Okay, so this first video is going to be the video dealing with what I call the Australian method, which is just another way of factoring. It's most useful when you have a leading coefficient, that's the number in front of the x squared, that's other than 1. Minus 7x, how about a minus 30? So we're just going to factor this, and like I said, I'm going to use the Australian method for this one. So I need to take the first and last term, or the A and the C term, and I need to multiply them together. So I multiply them together and I get negative 60. Now I need to factor negative 60, or I need the factors of negative 60, that when I put them together will give me a negative 7, or in other words the B term. So I'm going to start writing factors of negative 60. Now since I know that right now it's a negative, so that means that my large number is always going to be negative. So 2 and 30, 3 and 20. Still don't see any way that we're going to get 7 yet. 4 and 15. Nope, that's a negative 11. Let's see, 5 and 12. Oh, there it is. So there's what we need in order to get a negative 7. So I'm just going to take this, two sets of parentheses, an x in the front of both of them, and write down the two factors. So it's a positive 5 and a negative 12. So positive 5 and a negative 12. Now, this is not done yet, but this is kind of just like we normally would do, except that because we have that leading coefficient, things are still going to have to happen. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this leading coefficient right here, and I'm going to divide each of these by that leading coefficient, by 2. Now in this case I got a fraction, 5 halves. Now can I reduce 5 halves? I'm not talking about changing it into a mixed number, I'm just talking about reducing it. No, I can't. And so because I can't, I take that denominator and just move it out front, and I get 2x plus 5. Now on this one here, can I reduce 12 halves? Yeah, that's just 6. So it's x minus 6. That's it, folks. We're done. That's the 2x plus 5 times x minus 6 is the factored version of 2x squared minus 7x minus 30. So this method is a fairly quick method. It works with everything. It's just an alternative. So whatever you want to use, this just gives you another tool in your belt that you can use. So, all right, that's it.